To set up your payer list, go to Settings, List, and choose Payers. You'll have a default list of payers available within the software. You can choose one or hit the plus button to add a new payer. When you click on a payer, their summary screen will show up. You can scroll through and see claims information, service information, tracking information, any files that have been attached to the payer, and any notes. To edit the payer, go to More and Edit. From this screen, you can give the payer a default code, put in their name and address, phone number, their website. If you have an integrated clearinghouse, you can choose how you would like to check eligibility, set up their category, line of business, and whether they require the utilization of an OASIS or if they require the patient to be homebound. If they require an authorization, choose the authorization form that is used. You also have some extra defaults. On the Claims tab, you can control how your claims will be billed out of the system. For the claim form, you can choose to bill Medicare PDGM and PPS on a UB04 form. You can choose a standard UB04 institutional claim form, a CMS 1500 professional claim form, a self-pay statement, or an invoice statement. Each of those have their own formatting available. By default, if you're a healthcare provider, we will send your claims electronically if you have an integrated clearinghouse. You can choose to turn that setting off. If you have patients who receive multiple disciplines and you would like to use the discipline's primary diagnosis code as the primary diagnosis on your claim rather than patient level diagnosis codes, choose this option here. You can put in your default type of bill, your claim indicator, contract information, and other claims information here. For submitting electronic claims using an integrated clearinghouse, choose your clearinghouse from the list and enter the remaining claim information. You can control how the system generates claims and uses information for billing provider, rendering provider, and how we bill hard copy claims. So for instance, on the CMS 1500 form, if you would like to utilize box 10B, you can tell us that you would like to use it. Same with box 11A, if you would like it used for the patient's gender, box 12, box 13, box 14. You can control just about every component of the claim forms utilized within the software. If you would like for us to QA your claims before they are released to the payer, you can enter the requirements necessary for the claim. If the payer requires the inclusion of a primary physician and their tax ID or taxonomy code, if they require the use of a referring provider, if they require claim totals as a condition code, if you'd like to split overnight visits onto 2 line items, you can do that. You can also choose how you would like to group your charges when billing these claims. So a lot of extra information available here that controls how your claims are created. Under Services, you can set up custom fee schedules for your payers. You'll notice through our list here that these services that have the asterisks next to them do not have limited pricing information for this particular insurance company, and so they will bill out at the default bill rate. If you would like to create a custom fee schedule for this payer, just click the button and you can set up a HCPCS revenue code, modifiers, charge amounts, etc. More information on this is available in the billing course. And when you're done, hit the Save button.